just another boring day at school. And today, the subject is stocks and shares. Here's the New York Stock Exchange. Not something of great interest, you would have thought, to a 12-year-old. But this is part of a new program in Shenyang, northeast China. A special course designed to teach the kids how to be a stockbroker. And it doesn't take long before they start to work it out. Buying, selling, getting the latest information. Like the rest of this country, these students have gone stock crazy. How have your investments gone in the past year?
Last year this is 10,000. Now it's 20,000. Next year I want to be a millionaire. Yeah.
Heady aspirations for one so young, but the headmistress is just trying to give them a basic understanding of a skill she knows they'll use.
We decided to do it because we wanted to give the children more realistic and practical financial education.
And it's particularly ironic that the largest communist nation in the world has become so obsessed with this capitalist pastime. Stock trading goes against just about every principle that Chairman Mao stood for, so he'd probably be pretty horrified to learn that today there are more registered traders than there are members of the Communist Party. And even here in Shenyang, the industrial capital of China, his statue is completely surrounded by banks. It seems that even here, the people are paying more attention to what Deng Xiaoping said: to be rich is to be glorious. A lot of people are prepared to gamble to get rich. This trading house in Beijing isn't filled with the type of people you usually think of as stockbrokers. But these day traders want to profit from the growth of 130% that China's markets have seen in the past year. Combined with the rapidly expanding economy, you would have thought it was a sure bet. The problem is China's stock market is very volatile, and the people who are taking the plunge can't really afford to lose. Many people don't even understand that the markets go down as well as up, and with their life savings invested, tensions are running pretty high. This man was obviously feeling the pinch. The markets had dropped while we were there. Cursing as he went, he had to be led away by security. If the markets crash, the government is worried this might happen on a grand scale.
I mean, the government, of course, worried about the social stability. If so many retail investors, inexperienced investors investing in the market, and when the market cracks, of course it will create some risks to those people.
But the long-term future for these young people is still looking very bright. They may not have made it to their first million yet, but it's probably not far away. Tony Cheng, Al Jazeera, Shenyang in northeast China.